we have a new version of Geographical Adventures. Geographical Adventures. Some changes. Some new things. Check out YouTube, on GitHub, all open source, built in Unity, using available data on the internet. It has music, but I turned it off. I listen to my music. They did add plane sound effects, which is, it's just the plane puttering around in the sky. Very boring. Under construction version 1.05. New things, you fly to these locations to pick up balloons. I have no idea where these are. I know where Honduras is. And speed and a compass now. Very much need that compass so you can know where you are. The balloon. Pick up the balloon. And it tells you where to go. Ethiopia, I kinda know where that is. To the east near India. Now that you can change your speed, it's a lot better, I think, so you can control the flight path. I can't really see where I am in the dark. Ethiopia is near India. If you don't know where you are, there's a map. It even tells you. India is close enough. That's new, you got a map. So our coordinates turn to the north, east, face east, and then drop the package. $47 kilometers, nice. Is it kilometers or kilometers? Fiji, it's off to the east somewhere, and then you get this boost. The more drops you do, the better you're boosting. Fiji Islands, dude, I have no idea. I'll hit Australia and then go east for your drop. You can pick up multiple at the same time. I don't know what that would do. Oh shit, it's getting dark. Can't see anything. Use this one right here. Yeah, that's cool. Fished out of the water. It tells you exactly. They just landed here. Fiji. That is very sensitive. So what do we want? Melbourne. Pick up another package in Melbourne. But that's the base game, really. That's what you're gonna do. Now we're gonna turn on our filters again so we can see the fun stuff in the dark. Maximum speed. Melbourne, Australia. There we go. We also have statistics. This is new, so it shows several things for end score. You're on a timer. Perfect delivery is 1. The drop is Turkmenistan. No idea, but I would imagine it's near Turkey. All ass towards Turkey. Yep, Turkey, Turkmenistan. Near Uzbekistan and Kazakhstan. Or not. Oh, better slow down here. Hey. Blah, blah, blah. Very nice. In the right place. Pick up at Japan. Hurry up and go back to Japan. I'm not picking these up because I don't know where they are. It is like easy, medium, hard, I don't know. I know where Nigeria is, kind of. China. Right over here somewhere. On the whole. Say like just dropped right in here in the bay or something. Ooh, that hurt. Yeah, I figured it was down there. Don't know where China stuff is. Sorry. Indonesia. There's a balloon here. They're at different heights too, that's cool. Sweden. We're just past Sweden, I guess, is this direction. Put on the timer. Speed in Malamo. Oh, Malamo. Malamo. Say right here. Good enough. Peru. Put the package in Peru. Which is in South America, on the edge cusp of the North American plate. I think these are different heights up in the air. Marseille, France. Furthest distance to France is that way. I got a little bit of boost so we can get there faster for better score. Now it's about scoring points. Oh, slow down there, buddy. Marseille. 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 That's not where Marseille is. What's up, Awabajaw? How are you doing? Another package, Nigeria. Laos. You know where Laos is? It's next to Vietnam and Thailand. Over here somewhere. Kind of Linux Flight Sim, sure, but it's just an itch.io game. Over there on itch.io site. Got some updates so you see where Laos is. This little sad penis looking shape here between Thailand and Vietnam. Myanmar. Looks like it landed inside the country. Transported, damn. There we go. Yeah, that'd be terrible for them. In the middle of the jungle. French Polynesia. Puppy? The puppy? Puppy? French Polynesia? I have no idea. First time, let's just drop it here. Ooh. Look at all the balloons. The balloons also have flags on them. Turkey again, okay. Hard to see where I am at dark time. China is not Turkey. I think, right here. Georgia is not Turkey. It shows your thing on the map. That is wrong. There's a package in Antarctica. I think we're close enough there to go. Balloons up here to pick up. Namibia. Somalia. Next to Iran, Iraq, kind of. On the southeast coast. Okay. Oman, yeah. Somaliland. Somaliland and Somalia. Close enough. Port of Spain, Trinidad, I know where that is. Played Pirates of the Caribbean, I know where that is. What is that? St. Helena, middle of the ocean. Another one. They're both St. Helena. A lot of islands out in the middle of the ocean, right? Look for Trinidad here, South America, 100% perfect score. Not. Ecuador, South America somewhere. In Africa, that's the wrong place. El Ecuador? No idea. Oof. Good enough. Okay, pick up El Ecuador to South Antarctica. Okay, 30 seconds. Have a package from Antarctica. And let's go to Cuba. You know where Cuba is on the map, right? If we get daytime, I can see where the hell we are. Go fast. Sonic, you gotta go fast. 15 seconds for that score. Boom! Perfect delivery. And our time's gonna run out. There's our score. Boom! There's our score. So 753. Let's beat each other's score. Come on, go. Boot up the game. Go. 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 So these are new, and it shows you got a time limit of 15 minutes. 6.9 funny number times around the globe. Then you can continue without a score time limit thing. Just endlessly play, but it keeps track of all your packages dropped, so that eats up RAM probably. But yeah, it's really cool map. A little bit of a game in it, but you know, you're trying to learn geography. I know general areas and locations, but I don't know all these borders. Nigeria. I keep getting that one. I worked with a guy from Nigeria. Two guys. Pretty cool. They're like aggressive English, I would say, that they learned. Better than GeoGuessr, I would say. Her. I don't like GeoGuessr, by the way. Did not know the Galapagos Islands was part of the Ecuador. Where are the tiny islands? Tiny islands out there in the middle of the Atlantic. And if you didn't know, I believe one of these islands here was erupting for like 2 months straight. 500 or more people had to be evacuated. El Canada. Never heard of this place. Wonder if anybody's been there. Oh, that's offensive. You can't say that. Oh no. Twitch don't like that country's name. You know, this Crete, or whatever place was down here is not a separate country. Yeah, Croatia, yeah. It's not a separate country. Current politics, current politics. Where's that tiny one? There it is. Luxembourg, very tiny. No, that's Croatia. What is this one? The one south of Ukraine? Map. And now that we're not in a timed game mode, we can explore and like fly slowly. I wish our boost was infinite on this mode, but I guess we'll go get some pickup. And then you got more boost. We are in Mexico. He also said he turned down the light so that there's not as many points of light on the ground. Makes it a little bit easier to see because it was just a jumble of randomized lights everywhere. Added the compass, put the speed, allowed us to have speed. I don't know if he's done with the project, but he said he doesn't know what to do next. So people make suggestions. He likes the idea for the game. This is fully playable with background music and sound effects and features that make it a game. This button to make it day or night. Let's check those out. Backspace and return. And then it becomes daytime wherever I am, right? Oh, it becomes nighttime wherever I am. Push enter and it becomes some sort of daytime wherever you are. Guess I just keep spamming the enter button. I'd like to go to Alaska someday. The mountains over here. I like hiking. It's rocky, whole rocky side of the North America. Especially like out here in Alberta, Canada. This place is absolutely beautiful. Amazing area. Around here on the border of Edmonton and stuff. All these little hiking areas and lakes. Amazing. Could explore that sometime on Google Earth. Like, spend more time in Alaska because I've spent time in other places. Look at this peak right here. Peak is way up there. What peak is that on the border of Canada? What do you think that peak is right there? Border of Canada and Alaska. So go faster, you get a bigger circle. You go slower, you get a smaller circle. Everest? I don't even know where that is. Now St. Helens is in the middle of the Atlantic. Didn't you see? Two little islands in the middle of the Atlantic. Mylanta. Game is so cool, man. Oh yeah, he added your reverse camera so you can see behind you if you drop a package or whatever you want to use it for. Ring of fire. Burn, burn, burn. The ring of fire. Interested in like geology, volcanism, tectonic plate, mountains, hiking, still Japan. I love this map system where you just look around while you're flying and it pauses your location. Very simple. Didn't require like popping up a sound effect or an animation appearing, wait for that and listen to the same sound effects over and over and over again, popping up a map like console games. You know, just push a button, boom, there's your map. Instantaneous map. Knows exactly where you are. Weird like animation spinning around. Oop, zooming. Just remembers your settings for zoom in, zoom out, and it points exactly where you. If I move over here, exit the map, go back to the map, it's right over where I am. Very simplistic design, does exactly what it needs to do, no extra flair. North Korea? South Korea. Remember last time we were looking at Korea? Let's look at Korea again in the dark. Again, darkness. Very dark. And I said last time, is it because there are no cities and lights, or is it because our data information is empty? Is it intentionally empty, or is there actually no cities in North Korea? Who knows? You got light here, light here. You would expect there to be lights on both sides because that's how borders typically work. Same thing right here. You got light on the outside and nothing on the inside. Down here, Seoul. Yeah. Crazy. Oh, look. A mushroom cloud. So how's the screen look? It's at a 1080p 30. It's doing better than 864. Does it make any kind of difference whatsoever? I know it does on YouTube because of their compression, their re-encoder per compression. That's really the only reason I started doing 1080p, because I got tired of YouTube. At least at 1080p it doesn't look too bad. You know, it's still at third technically, but it's only 45 to 3045 is about half. 2/3 to a half. Still a bit rate. That's not too bad. They used to put 720p 30 at HD, and they changed that where that is now SD. You have to do 720p 60 to get HD quality. But for now, they got 1080p 30 at HD quality. I guess it bumps up the encoder settings that they use. I'm not sure. We are again at Korea. What is this island? Korea Island, dude. Floating around in the middle of the dark. Go ahead and bump up the daytime. Fly over Siberia. This was the Siberian volcano plain, something like that. I forgot what it's called, but something like 100 million years ago or 200 million years ago, this was all lava. Very much like a super volcano like Yellowstone, except this whole area was covered in volcanoes and lava. Zoom out. I'll to show like map position. What's that? Where did my system freeze? Why, game? Why? Yeah, there you go. Whole system froze. What? The temperature again? Temperature. Turn on the fan to high volume. There you go. I explored this once on Google Earth, like this, basically this whole area right here